Yay, I've learned a new word today.
2 hours later.
都什么年代了啊，搭讪还用这种方式？贝微微不是跟他做这一节课，一句话都没有说上吗？
What the? Hello, 大家好, I'm Grace. Maybe you have learned that the Chinese adverb 都 means all or both, but I know that in many sentences it just doesn't make any sense with this definition. If you're confused about how 都 is used, today's video is going to help demystify it for you. 话不多说，我们现在就开始吧。Let's read some sentences first and think about why people put 都 in them. 我们都喜欢，我们都喜欢，都是我的错，都怪我，都是我的错，都怪我。大人都吃不下，更别说小孩了。大人都吃不下，更别说小孩了。都几点了？他还没起床。都几点了？他还没起床。The first one is easy to understand. 都 has its original meaning, all or both. 我们都喜欢，我们都喜欢 we all like it, or we both like it. Also, what is included can be omitted based on the context. For example, if you want to say I'm okay with anything, you can say 我什么都可以，我什么都可以。You can also omit 我 and 什么 and just say 都可以，都可以。Another example, 都是我的错，都是我的错。It's all my fault. Okay, so now let's talk about the confusing part of 都. As you know, 都 can mean all, but people also use it to strengthen the tone of voice of something that is surprising, unusual, or extreme. Because of these extremes, often in English, you will see even as its translation. Let's see some sentence patterns with this 都。连都连都我连他长什么样子都不知道。我连他长什么样子都不知道。我连他长什么样子都不知道。I don't even know what he looks like. Another example. 这个问题老师都回答不出来，更别说学生了。这个问题老师都回答不出来，更别说学生了。这个问题老师都回答不出来，更别说学生了。Even teachers can't answer this question, let alone students. Normally, questions can be answered by teachers, but this question is so hard that even teachers cannot solve it. So the 都 here shows that this is unusual and surprising for the speaker. Another sentence pattern is 连 plus verb plus 都不 or 都没 plus verb. 他想都没想就答应了。他想都没想就答应了。他想都没想就答应了。She says yes without even thinking for 1 second. 她妹妹甚至看都不看我一眼。她妹妹甚至看都不看我一眼。她妹妹甚至看都不看我一眼。His sister didn't even look at me for 1 second. By the way, there is an expression similar to this pattern, which is 想都别想，想都别想。It means don't even think about it or over my dead body.
想都别想，走。
The final one is 都了，都了。For example, if you want to say it's already summer, but he is still wearing a long sleeve shirt, you can say 都夏天了，他还在穿长袖。夏天了，他还在穿长袖。Or 已经夏天了，他还在穿长袖。They all mean the same, but the last two sentences are just normal statements without expressing much of the speaker's feelings. However, adding 都 shows that you think it's surprising or unusual. 都夏天了，他还在穿长袖。Another example. 都这么晚了，你还不睡啊？都这么晚了，你还不睡啊？都这么晚了，你还不睡啊？ It's very late already. Aren't you going to sleep? Also, you can just say 这么晚了，你还不睡啊？ But adding 都 shows that you feel surprised that the person hasn't gone to sleep yet. Okay, now let's do a quick recap. You can remember 都 as having two different meanings. The first 都 means all or both, and what are included might be omitted based on the context. For example, in 什么都可以，什么 means anything, and it can be omitted. People often just say 都可以，都可以。The second 都 is used to provide emphasis and show that something is surprising, unusual, or extreme. If the concept still seems a bit abstract to you, I recommend you watch this video a couple more times. I believe that in the future you won't be confused by 都 anymore. Okay, after today's lesson, let's do some practice. Think about why 都 is used in the following sentences. I've included the answers in the comment section. Alright, that's all for today. If you found today's video helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you would like to support me in continuing to make more content, please visit my Ko-fi page. The link is in the description below. Thank you very much. And finally, if you would like to learn some daily Mandarin expressions, check out my Instagram, Grace Mandarin. 那我们就下次见喽，拜拜。